If you're a music lover who wants to earn money online through listening to a song, then watch this video until the end. Step 1. Register on B-Wave. The first step is to register on B-Wave. Start by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner, where you'll see two options for registration. The process is a bit tricky, so make sure you follow carefully. You can either register directly using your Gmail account or select the Login with Email option, then click on Create an Account at the bottom of the screen. On the next page, enter your email and click the Get button to receive an OTP for verification. Enter the OTP in the designated box, then create a strong password and confirm it. For the referral code, you can use 2809 and then tap the Sign Up button to complete the registration. After signing up, go back to your profile and select the Account Settings option. From there, choose Withdrawal Password and enter your phone number. Press the Get button again to receive an OTP for phone number verification. Once verified, set a 6-digit withdrawal password for your account. This password will be used to withdraw your earnings, so make sure to write it down somewhere safe. After setting up the withdrawal password, you can claim your $12 sign-up bonus by tapping the dollar icon at the bottom. Simply click the gift icon next to your account balance, then press the Receive button to get your $12 bonus for free. B-Wave is a platform where you can earn over $100 daily by listening to music. B-Wave is an innovative platform that transforms the way people work, offering more opportunities for freelancers like us. The great part is that you can access it on both mobile devices and computers or laptops. If you're using a laptop or computer, simply open your browser and visit bwavework.com. For mobile users, open either the Chrome or Safari browser and search for B-Wavework to access the site. Step 2 is to begin earning money by listening to music through B-Wave. And this can be done using either a mobile device or a PC. For simplicity, I'll demonstrate on a laptop. To get started, head to the B-Wave homepage. Scroll down slightly, and you'll find the Town Hall, where you can discover various ways to make money, including Q&A tasks, ghostwriting, downloading apps, and more. However, today we'll focus on the music promotion section, where you can earn money by listening to songs from platforms like Spotify, YouTube, and Apple Music. Depending on the song, you can earn anywhere from 80 cents to $5.50 per track. These tasks can be completed one by one, and if you listen to multiple songs, you could earn over $100 per day. To illustrate, let's say you choose to listen to the song Birds of Feather on YouTube, earning 80 cents. To begin, click the Get button for the task, and it will be added to your task list. After listening to the song, the task will be reviewed by a specialist, and once approved, the reward will be credited to your account balance. By repeating this process with various songs, you can accumulate significant earnings. In the free plan of B-Wave, you can earn up to $4 per day. To make $100 per day, you'll need to choose a higher plan. The more advanced plans allow you to earn more money daily, and I recommend starting with Plan A as a beginner. It costs only $16 per year, which can be easily earned back on your first day, thanks to the $12 sign-up bonus and the $4 earned for completing a task on the free plan. With Plan A, you can start earning over $41 per day. When you purchase Plan A, you'll need to deposit a $300 performance bond. This bond ensures the smooth execution of tasks and protects the interests of both parties. It also helps avoid delays or interruptions and promotes serious participation, ensuring a safe and fair environment. The performance bond is fully refundable, but if you withdraw it, you won't be able to continue completing tasks unless you deposit it again. Step 3 to earn significantly more money quickly is to return to the home page of B-Wave and head to the task hall. From there, select the Q&A section, which should already be active. In this section, you'll find numerous question and answer tasks that cover topics such as life, finance, health, fitness, internet, politics, and self-improvement. Simply click the Get Task button to claim the task, and once approved, it will appear in your task list. When you open it, you'll see the questions you need to answer to earn money. The great part is that you can use AI tools like ChatGPT to help you answer the questions. Just copy and paste the questions into ChatGPT, and it will generate high-quality answers that you can paste directly. However, it's a good idea to add some of your personal insights and experiences where applicable. This way, in the Q&A section, you can quickly earn a substantial amount of money just by copying and pasting questions and answers. Another great way to make money on B-Wave is by completing ghostwriting tasks in the ghostwriting section. You can earn anywhere from $50 to $100 for submitting scripts, blog articles, and more. Like with the Q&A section, you can use AI, such as ChatGPT, to assist with your writing. Simply click Get Task to claim a task, and once it's approved, you can complete the ghostwriting task from your list. Both the Q&A and ghostwriting sections are among the highest paying and fastest ways to earn money on B-Wave. If you want to increase your earnings further, you can also share your referral link. Go to the Profile section and select the Invite Friends option. Here, you'll find your referral QR code and code, which you can copy by pressing the Copy button, or you can directly copy your referral link by selecting the Copy Link button. Share your link with friends and family, and when they register through your link, you'll earn a $6 reward for each successful referral. So far in this video, you have learned that B-Wave is a platform where you can earn money by listening to music, completing Q&A tasks, and ghostwriting. By signing up, you get a $12 bonus and can earn up to $100 per day, depending on your plan. You can also increase your earnings by inviting friends using your referral link. Now, I have a question for you. Are you ready to turn your passion for music into money? Which platform do you prefer to use for listening to music while earning money? Spotify, Apple Music, or YouTube? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to share why. So, if you want to start a business with zero investment, the next video might be for you. So, make sure to stay tuned so you won't miss any important updates. See you in the next one.